In our technology-driven world, digital systems govern everything, from factory floors to power plants. Digital systems enable remote connectivity that improves performance and efficiency, from faster time to respond, more efficient delivery and maintenance, reduced travel expenses, better collaboration with third parties, and much more. However, connectivity also presents security challenges. Without proper controls, unauthorized access can lead to severe business ramifications, such as breaches, downtime, and safety risks. Traditionally, organizations layered security tools to mitigate access risks and keep up with the evolving threat landscape. But this resulted in a complex multi-generational tech stack with inherent security gaps, high operational overhead, subpar user experience, and reduced productivity. Enter Cyolo. Cyolo Pro is a modern, hybrid, secure remote access solution designed to address the riskiest access scenarios right at the core of the business. Cyolo Pro integrates smoothly into your digital environment without change management to enable and secure privileged remote access needs across your hybrid environment. Purpose-built to simplify and secure remote privileged access to critical environments, Cyolo Pro consolidates vital capabilities into a single and flexible SRA solution that allows you to secure remote privileged access to any application, including legacy, without installing agents. Mitigate the risk of credentials theft through identity federation and MFA, including the last mile. Enforce granular policies for precise control and supervision over identities and devices. Prevent ransomware spread and other network access risks by granting zero-trust application-only access. Achieve compliance with audit logs and session recordings. Safeguard organizational secrets through a secure internal vault. Streamline operations with a unified, flexible, and agentless tool, reducing complexity and operational overhead. Cyolo Pro isn't just a solution, it's an investment in the resilience and productivity at the core of your business. Let's simplify remote access together. Cyolo.